One of the vacuums of Mr. James's that I thought was going to be the easiest actually turned out to be, well, not, it wasn't hard, but it certainly wasn't as easy as I thought. The little module is all done and looking very, very shinier. This won't be a very long video because there isn't much to it. Let's have a look at how it came up. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? The little Dalek is now a lot shinier. Yes, it polished up very, very well indeed. Still quite a bit of damage as you can see, but a lot better than it once was. It is now very, very shiny. But to polish it, I took it apart because although James said, oh, just run the polisher over it, I don't like doing that because you can catch. If I ran over there, I would scuff all that up. If I caught the pad anywhere, it just causes damage. So it is easier to have everything in its component form before you polish it. And this has led a very hard life. Apparently it came from a cleaning company, and although it looks in quite good condition, the motor was full of crap. It's had to have a fan wash. It's had to have the fan casing cleaned out. It's not rusty because it's a dry only machine, but the fluff was terrible. And obviously in that I've got rid of all the dust as well that was everywhere. If you remember under here, that was all full of dust. That's all gone now. It is spotless in every single way. Didn't touch this part because this part was fine anyway. There's nothing I could do to improve that. It's just had everything else made clean and tidy. Let's take the cable off. There we go. I gave the plug a bit of a polish, ran the pins over the bench grinder with the wire wheel on it because that always just makes that little bit of a difference. The cable was disgusting. Really was black, so that's never been touched. And yeah, the whole machine is now very nice. A bit of a shame about there's some damage there. That was a bit of a shame. And obviously the bucket itself has taken some abuse, but you know, once you realise this was a working machine, you know, it worked for its beer. That's actually not too bad. Its little 800 watt motor is incredibly powerful. I don't have the tools, and I'm not going to ram a pneumatic hose on there because the threads are different and it will cause damage. But you know, it's very, very good. A lovely little machine. You could use this nowadays commercially if you wanted. It is a Hoover design and a Hoover built. I think it is Perivale. No, it's not. No, these will be Merthyr, because there's an Urbex thread somewhere on the internet that I've read before, and they found, I think it was a module, or it might have been one of the other little Dalek ones, just abandoned in the warehouse. I think actually they're probably a Perivale design built in Merthyr, because I think the design of this obviously is the Aquamaster, and that was roughly in the 80s. So I'd imagine, I'm sure, hopefully somebody will correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this probably is a Merthyr machine. It'll be from the early 90s, and I'll get fingerprints all over it. It'll be from the early 90s. Obviously there is no ratings plate for us to check, and I didn't find a date code on any of the plastic. But yeah, considering that it's been used, it's the original motor, I can tell that just from the state of it, and I didn't even know all the bearings, because you can't, and I didn't want to take it apart and knacker the motor. It's lovely, lovely condition. Probably very rare to find one of these at all, because I imagine they were worked literally to death or thrown away when they were so tatty and disgusting that I only know of two, this one and another one. I'm sure there probably are more, but personally I know of two of these. And this is now the cleanest one of all, because the other one I know needs a polish as well. But there we go, our little Hoover Module 900 is all done. And I've only got one more video to film now, and then the whole job lot is done and the next batch can come. So, thank you very much for watching. Sorry this video is a little bit short, but there's only so much I can drag out of here it is, isn't it clean, thanks bye, before even I get bored. So we'll end it there. Hope you enjoyed, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.